Magandang gabi! Review time! It's our pronunciation video na naman. At these are the Tagalog words at phrases na posted from last week. So, let's start our pronunciation video. Una o first, if you wanna say or if you wanna ask someone, do I know you? Kilala ba kita? Kilala ba kita? Kilala ba kita? And if you wanna say or if you wanna ask, do you know me? Kilala mo ba ako? Kilala mo ba ako? Kilala mo ba ako? At do you know him or do you know her? Kilala mo ba siya? Kilala mo ba siya? At next word, utang. 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 Utang sa Ingles ay debt. If you wanna say, for example, you owe me $5. May utang ka sa aking $5. Or, if you wanna say, I have a lot of debt. Marami akong utang. Marami akong utang. A meddler or a person who meddles into other people's affairs or business, sa Tagalog ay kapag lalaki, or if it's a guy, we call him pakialamero. Pakialamero. And for ladies, pakialamera. Pakialamera. Let's say it again. Pakialamero. At pakialamera. And next one is this photo. Squash sa Tagalog, kalabasa. 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 And that is a photo of a radish o sa Tagalog, labanos. 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 What is colorful sa Tagalog? Makulay. 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 Thick and thin sa Tagalog, makapal. Thick, makapal. At thin, manipis. Did you see that? Halimbawa, ang sketchbook ko ay manipis. Kumpara sa libro or compared to the book, Ang libro ay makapal. The book is thick. Makapal. At junk food sa Ingles, we call it chitchirya sa Tagalog. And ito ay halimbawa ng chitchirya. Chitchirya. Chit, chi, ria. Chitchirya. Weeks ago, or maybe it's been a month ago, we learned that not enough sa Tagalog ay kulang. 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 But what about complete? Complete sa Tagalog ay kompleto. 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 Almost done. I have last two Tagalog phrases. If you wanna say, you're my world sa Tagalog, ikaw ang mundo ko. Ikaw ang mundo ko. At you're my life, ikaw ang buhay ko. Ikaw ang buhay ko. Let's say that again. You're my world, ikaw ang mundo ko. At ikaw ang buhay ko. You're my life. So, tapos na. Our video's done. That's it. That's it for our Learn Tagalog pronunciation video. Bye. See you on the next video.